Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pause video recording on iPhones. In order to pause a video recording, first open the camera on your smartphone, then open video mode. Start recording a video on either your frontal or rear camera, and now whenever you want to pause the video, just tap the pause icon, and then you can, for example, change the angle of your camera or position or whatever, and then just press the record button to keep recording the video. Then when you want to stop, just tap the icon in the middle, and now we can see what the video actually looks like. So the camera will stop recording in the middle, and then the angle will change to the following frame. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.